Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Vinted account if blocked. If your Vinted account has been blocked and you still want to remove it, this process is usually handled through your account settings on the Vinted website. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the steps carefully so you can follow along without missing anything. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure any sales, purchases, or support issues linked to the account have already been resolved, since account deletion is typically meant for accounts that are no longer in active use. Start by opening your browser and going to the Vinted website. Once the home page loads, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access the settings related to your profile and account. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Vinted keeps the main controls for your account, including profile options, privacy-related tools, and account management features. After the Settings page opens, select Account Settings. This section contains the deeper account level options, including the ability to delete your account. Once you're in Account Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower part of the screen, you should see the option labeled Delete My Account. Click that to move to the account deletion screen. On the next page, Vinted will ask you to confirm an important condition before continuing. Click the checkbox or option that says, I confirm that all my orders are completed. This step matters because platforms like Vinted generally won't allow account deletion if there are still open transactions, pending deliveries, refunds, or unresolved order activity. If this option is available to you, that usually means you're ready to proceed. After confirming that all orders are completed, click Delete Account. This submits your request to delete the account. At that point, the deletion request should be processed based on Vinted's system and policies. If your account is blocked, some details of the experience may look slightly different, but the path through the website remains the same in this example. As a final tip, make sure you're certain before completing the last click, since deleting an account may remove access to your messages, listings, and account history. And that's it. You've now seen how to delete a blocked Vinted account through the website settings.